The number 4 reason that we choose to do a short-term rental versus a flip is because although a flip may gain me $30,000 or more, how many months did it take for me to get that money? How much holding time did I have? So for instance, if it's the average is 6 months, basically that is netting me $5,000 a month. So if I look at it from that perspective, $5,000 a month, and then once I'm done in month 6, I have to rinse and repeat and do it all over again. If I had 5 rentals that were netting me $1,000 each, I only have to do that one time each, and then they're done. And then it'll just keep recycling itself and regenerating. So it's much more sustainable. With the flip, every single time I have to go resource another property. I have to go renovate it, get it back out there, sell it, look at where the market's at. There's a lot more work that's involved with the flip than there is a short-term rental. Some markets, like our markets up in Washington State, are much more conducive to flips. The real estate is through the roof, but the flips are harder to get. There's a whole lot less inventory there. So in those markets, the flips are harder to get, but they're much more profitable. So we're still doing flips in those markets. In some of our other markets, Arkansas, Texas, Florida, those ones, it's easier for us to do our short-term rentals there. So we're doing those there, creating long-term passive income that will continue to sustain and continue to generate all on its own, so that once we have them set up, we don't have to keep redoing it, right? So the benefit there is the flip, I'm always going to be working. I'm always going to have to keep doing it. Doesn't mean we're stopping. We by all means are still renovating single-family homes all across this country, but we're doing them in different markets and we're doing them with different strategies. And in doing so, it creates a constant level of cash flow for us to invest in bigger projects, in our multifamily properties, in our syndications, in our car washes, all kinds of things. If you're interested in learning more about how to do short-term rentals or corporate rentals, and you're eager to learn, but you want to learn hands-on, you want to learn from somebody who's experienced, who's been doing it for quite a while, and is clearly making a profit and a living at it. If that's the case, you're going to want to click on the link below. When you do, you're going to find a time on our calendar that works for you to meet with us. And we'll connect you with ways that you can learn. Whether you're a book learner who would rather learn through a training module, or whether you're a hands-on learner who wants to dive right in and wants to start doing and learning that way. Education, there's always a price to our education, but the price is whether or not we're willing to pay it and whether or not we're willing to get those returns. So if that's you and you're willing to learn how to do this, or you're interested in making money in short-term rentals passively, don't want to do any of the work, you just want to make the money passively on the short-term rental side, if that's you, you're going to want to click on the link below. Schedule a time to get on a call with us, and when you do, we'll tell you about all the different opportunities in the short-term rental space that are available to you for as little as $10,000 of an investment. That investment is clearly paid back to you every single time with a return. So you have your choice. Learn and gain all that knowledge and experience while getting paid. Just invest passively, take advantage of the great returns. Don't worry about learning and just keep rinsing and repeating. It's just your choice, just like corporate short-term rentals versus flipping. You make the decision as to what is right for you and your business. So if it's going to be right for you, click on the link below, set up a time to meet with us. We'll be happy to talk with you on a quick 20-minute consultation, absolutely free, and present opportunities, and you decide what's right for you. No pressure. Have a great day. Bye for now.